Sorry.
Good. All right, so you have the base of the heart, which includes the major vessels. Superior vena cava, ascending aorta with the arch, brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid, left subclavian, and the pulmonary trunk. You have the right atrium and the right auricle sitting over it, the left atrium with the left auricle sitting over it, and then when we open the heart, you can see the chambers. This is the right atrium, receives blood from the superior vena cava, inferior vena cava, and the coronary sinus. Blood travels through the right atrium, through the tricuspid valve, into the right ventricle. Now, structures of the valve. We have the cusps, chordae tendineae, papillary muscles, and only in the right ventricle do you have the moderator band. These are trabecular muscles, and these are pectinite muscles up here. This is the fossa ovale. From the right ventricle, blood travels through the pulmonary semilunar valve, passes up through this conical area, which is called the conus arteriosum, pulmonary semilunar valve, into the pulmonary trunk. From the pulmonary trunk, blood travels through the right pulmonary arteries, which take blood away from the heart, albeit deoxygenated, left pulmonary artery, and then returns by way of the left pulmonary veins, right pulmonary veins, into the left atrium.
And now they're oxygenated.
Correct.
Okay.
Now it travels through the bicuspid valve now. Again, chordae tendineae, papillary muscles, trabecula, into the left ventricle. From the left ventricle, blood travels through the aortic semilunar valve, into the ascending aorta, arch of the aorta, descending aorta, brachiocephalic trunk, left common carotid, left subclavian. This is the trachea. Now, coronary artery.
Where does the blood come from, the coronary artery?
Where does it come from?
Yeah.
Well, we're going to show you how it returns from the veins into the right atrium.
Okay.
So let's leave the heart now through the right coronary artery that splits into the posterior branch and marginal branch. These are the anterior cardiac veins in blue. On the left side, left coronary artery splitting right here to become the left anterior descending and the circumflex. This is the diagonal artery. Blood returns by way of the great cardiac vein here and travels underneath the auricle with the circumflex in red to the coronary sinus, which is joined by the posterior branch, middle branch, small branch, and that travels through the opening of the coronary sinus here, through here, back into the right atrium. So that's how the coronary artery blood returns back to the heart.
Okay.
Then it goes to the lungs, back to the left ventricle to be pumped either systemically through here or a portion of it through the coronary artery openings.
Oh,
Is this how the blood gets to the coronary arteries?
Correct.
Right here? Okay,
Okay.
that's what we were trying to figure out where.